Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are waiting for your next story from your reader, the stubborn mule. Did you enjoy your previous story? Okay, so you are enjoying your stories. But are you reading these stories at your home as well? Remember, if you want to be a good writer, you have to read and read and read, and you have to be a good reader as well. So today is lesson number 4, and I have planned a new story for you. The name of the story is Tommy Too Much, and it is from your reader, the stubborn mule. Let's start the story. Tommy does too much. On Monday, Tommy Too Much felt much better. Remember why he felt much better? Because he ate too many bananas and he had a stomach ache. So now he is feeling better. He went with his class to a farm. At the farm, there were lots of hens. There were lots of eggs too. Tommy's friends took one egg each. They held an egg in each hand. Tommy Too Much put one egg in his pocket. Then he put a second egg in his pocket. Then a third, and a fourth, and a fifth. Soon his pockets were full of eggs. On the way home, the children saw a puddle on the road. Tommy's friends walked around the puddle, but Tommy Too Much walked right into the middle of it. When he came out of a puddle, he slipped and fell. Why you think that Tommy slept? Yes, because he had so many eggs in his pocket and he was out of balance and he slipped. Crack, crack, crack went the eggs in Tommy's pocket. What a mess! Oh my god. Think if you have broken eggs in your pocket, what will you feel? So this happened on Monday. On Tuesday, Tommy climbed the ladder. He did not stop on the first step. He did not stop on the second step. Oh my god, Tommy. He did not stop on the third step, or the fourth, or the fifth, or the sixth, or the seventh. Look, look in the picture. He's climbing and climbing and climbing. He went right up to the top, and then the ladder wobbled. It shook, it swayed, and crash! It fell to the ground. Tommy Too Much landed in a bush. Ouch! 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 He shouted. On Wednesday, Tommy Too Much put a felt pen in his pocket. Yes, you guessed it. He did not stop there. He put a second pen in his pocket, and a third, and a fourth, and do you know what happened? The pens leaked. Look at his shirt now. On Thursday, Tommy Too Much asked his mother for a sweet. Yes, you may have one, said his mother. But only take one. Tommy Too Much went into the kitchen. He took down the jar of sweets from the shelf. He put his hand inside the jar. He took a handful of sweets. Look. But his hand would not come out of the jar. Ooh. His hand was stuck in the jar. Tommy Too Much started to cry. His mother came into the kitchen. Really, Tommy? Said his mother. This is too much. If you take one sweet, your hand will come out of the jar. Why have you got so many? But Tommy Too Much wanted more than one. He would not let go of the sweets. So on Friday and Saturday, there was a boy walking about with a jar on his hand. That was Tommy too much. So, how was your story? Look at the written task of the story. On which day Tommy felt better? What Tommy did on Tuesday? Why did the ladder wobble? What happened to Tommy when he wanted to take sweets from the jar? Don't forget to write these answers and send them to me on fsabine06@gmail.com. I hope you will be waiting for your next story. But before that, promise me to read these two stories again and again from your reader. Till then, bye bye and Allah Hafiz.